Hey guys, Mary Ruth sent me a free bottle of their liquid hair growth multivitamin so I can check it out and create this video. I want to show you why I really love this one. Now the first thing about this is it comes in a very sweet tasting liquid form. This one tastes very peachy. It also comes in a dragon fruit flavor. It tastes so good you can drink it straight or mix it with a smoothie or your favorite beverage. Despite that great flavor, it's sugar-free. But of course, the best part about this is the ingredients. Most importantly, you're gonna get 160 milligrams of Lustriva. You're also gonna get this very powerful blend of vitamins. It's also got 10,000 milligrams of biotin in the unique form of magnesium biotinate. It's also gluten-free and vegan, and I would definitely recommend this for anyone who wants a powerful blend of an easy-to-take multivitamin in a liquid form.